I discuss velocity of the transverse wave. Next, I discuss velocity of the transverse wave. What is the meaning of transverse wave? Here, for example, this is the string one end is fixed. It will be the string moving, pulling up and down. Wave propagating. Here wave propagating along x-axis. Here string moving up and down. Particle vibration moving y-axis. That means particle vibration, because the string consists of so many particles. Here string moving up and down. Particle vibrate up and down. That means particle motion is along y-axis. Here wave propagation along x-axis. That means particle vibration, wave propagation perpendicular. That wave is called transverse wave. Particle vibration, wave propagation is parallel. That wave is called longitudinal wave. In the longitudinal wave, compressions and rarefactions are formed. The best example is sound Okay, this is the transverse wave In the transverse wave, this is look here look here, this is the wave Here crust and trough. Okay, here what crust and trough. Here I take this part look here. This part okay. In this part this is the string. Okay, here this is the string lo unde force nedo antaru tension. Tension epudu towards the fixed point. Okay, here it also goda tension epudu towards the fixed point. Look here tension is towards the fixed point. Tension is towards the fixed point. We assume this is arc kada, arc kabatti we assume this is a center circle తీసుకుంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇది ఆర్క్ కదా ఈ ఆర్క్ ఇదేగా సెంటర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ లైన్ ఓకే లుక్ హియర్ వన్స్ అగైన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెంటర్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సర్కిల్ దిస్ ఈజ్ ద సెంటర్ ఇట్ విల్ బి రిమూవ్ దిస్ కెన్ బి కన్సిడర్డ్ యాజ్ ఎ ఆర్క్ హియర్ ఓకే here tension epudu what is the direction of tension is always towards the fixed point or pull the strings okay. Here look here I discuss this is vertical line is drawn. Suppose this angle theta, this string length is considered as a delta L. Okay, this is the radius look here, this is the circle. In the circle, any arc to center is nothing but the radius. Any arc center is nothing but the radius. One of the most important point also to see here. This is the circular path this is the tangent. Okay, this is the radius. Here radius vector and tangent along perpendicular. Once again I repeat, in the circle radius and tangent is always perpendicular. That point is keep in your mind. Here this is the radius, this is the tangent, both around perpendicular. This line parallel. This angle theta aithe ikkada kuda theta. In the mathematics, interior angle equal to exterior angle. మరి రేడియస్ టాంజెంట్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ అంటే టోటల్ యాంగిల్ ఈ మధ్య టోటల్ యాంగిల్ ఎంత 90 థీటా పోతే ఎంత ఉంటుంది 90 మైనస్ థీటా దిస్ ఈ లైన్ అనదర్ లైన్ దిస్ ఈజ్ y దిస్ ఈజ్ x ఈ రెండు కూడా ఎలా ఉన్నాయి పర్పెండిక్యులర్ ఇది 90 మైనస్ థీటా అయితే ఇది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా ఏమవుతుంది థీటా ఓకే ఇప్పుడు లుక్ హియర్ హియర్ టెన్షన్ ఇక్కడ యాంగిల్ ఎంత చేస్తుంది థీటా రిజాల్వ్ చేస్తే యాంగిల్ చేస్తే ఏమవుతుంది కాస్ థీటా ఇదేమవుతుంది సైన్ థీటా అకార్డింగ్ టు రిజల్యూషన్ ఆఫ్ వెక్టార్స్ ఇక్కడ కూడా సేమ్ రాసేస్తున్నా థీటా ఇదేమవుతుంది టీ కాస్ థీటా ఇది ఏమవుతుంది టీ సైన్ థీటా theta. According to diagram, t cos theta cancel because equal magnitude opposite direction. మరి ఏం యాడ్ అవుతుందన్న t sin theta. What is the net force here? Net force acting on the arc ఎంతనా 2 t sin theta. But this force ఎలా ఉంది అంటే towards the center ఉండే ఫోర్స్ centripetal force. What is the centripetal force formula? mv square by r. Once again, towards the center force is called centripetal force. What is the centripetal force formula? mv square by r. 2 t. Angle small, sin theta right as theta. Okay. Here next m v square by r equal to right side 2 t theta. Angle small, sin theta right as theta. In the first year simple pendulum derivation also, angle is small less than 5 degrees, sin theta or tan theta right as theta, but cos theta right as 1. Angle small, sin theta or tan theta right as theta, cos theta right as 1. Here to determine velocity of the transverse wave ante v square ravalana. Okay, mv square by r. Here same, right? You write t into 2t theta. Generally here to see diagram. This total angle arc makes at center total angle is I consider 2 theta. The mathematics angle definition is arc length by radius. 2 theta right as arc length delta L by radius. In the once again I repeat now, look here, t into 2 theta is nothing but the total angle. Angle definition is arc length by radius. Left side mv square by r0 what? Cancel. Neatly write as v square equal to t into delta L by m, because here numerator other side denominator. It neatly write as v square equal to t by m by delta L. In the physics, mass by length is nothing but the linear density. Generally, linear density denoted by mu. Once again I repeat, linear density denoted by mu. V equal to under root T, tension in the string, mu, linear density of the string, because transverse waves generally formed in the stringes. So that's why here capital T is nothing but the tension in the string. Mu indicate linear density in the string. Simply linear density nothing but the mass by length. What is the direct formula for velocity of the transverse wave? Under root T by mu. Mu indicate mass by length. Mu is called linear density. Once again, what is the formula for velocity of the transverse wave? Formula T by mu. This is most important formula in the chapter. But I consider string. String is nothing but the wire. Wire to see in the microscope is in the shape of cylindrical shape. Here wire length is L and cross sectional area is A. Here write V, velocity of the transverse wave equal to T by mu. Mu and mass by length. Mass write as volume into density. Volume write as area into length. Here mass, volume into density by length. LL what? That's why area of the circle write as pi r square. This formula write in this manner also. T, tension in the string, area of the wire pi r square. Pakkana rayali rho. What is the velocity of the transverse wave? Third formula under root T by pi r square into rho. What is the first formula? Under root T by mu. What is the second formula? Under root T by A into rho. Here A indicate cross sectional area of the string, rho density of the string, T tension in the string. Here also T tension in the string. R is nothing but the radius of the string, rho indicate density of the string. These three formulas is most important formulas for velocity of the transverse wave. Hold. These are applications for velocity of the transverse wave. I take a string and one end is fixed. This is the pulley. This is the table. Here, this string is suspended the weight. Weight always vertically downwards. Mg. Okay. Here, string lo force under. This is the string. String is attached to the weight. In this case, string lo unde force tension eppudu body ki ela untadi away. According to this concept, simply write as T equal to mg. Okay. That means now I discuss velocity of the transverse wave formula is under root T by mu. Here mu indicate linear density of the strings, whole by T tension balance the weight. Weight is nothing but the mg, and in the chapter simply call as T equal to mg in this case now. This is the another formula for velocity of the transverse wave when the body is in air or vacuum. Okay? Here, velocity of the transverse wave, same concept nana. Look here, all of you. This is the string nana. This is the pulley. Here table. Okay? Here also weight suspended, but this body, the string lo unde force namantaru tension eppudu body ki ela untadi away. But this suspended body is in the liquid nano. This suspended body is in the liquid nano. In this case, velocity of the transverse wave when the body is suspended in liquid is equal to here under root T by mu kada. Here mu and linear density of the string fixed. Tension is nothing but the mg. Nana idi water lo munchadam valla new gravity g dash avutundi. M kaadu mg kaadu nana g dash. Enduku g dash? Any bucket water lo unnappudu its weight is lost because of force of buoyancy. In the first year fluid mechanics gurtunda meeku? Fluid mechanics nunchi m by here mu okay nana g dash write as g into 1 minus 1 by rd. rd ante ikkada relative density. Here look here, this is the formula for velocity of the liquid. This equation number enta 1. Here equation number enta 2. Okay. Here look here nana. Here velocity of the 2 by 1 raddam nana. 2 by 1 raddam. Neat ga cheppandi. Left side 2 and the velocity of the transverse wave when the body is in liquid, suspended body in the liquid. Here velocity of the transverse wave when the body suspended in air. Okay? Equal to liquid vachindi under root gurtunda meeku mg by mu. Ikkada undi 1 minus 1 by rd. Ikkada under root mg by mu. Here what air cancel. Nana here ardhamavutunda gravity decrease in the first year fluid mechanics. A new gravity g dash equal to G into 1 minus 1 by RD. Here neatly write as under root 1 minus 1 by RD. Here velocity of the body, velocity of the transverse wave when the body is suspended in the liquid, write as V2. When the velocity of the transverse wave when the body is suspended in air, write as V1. Squaring on both sides, here V2 square by V1 square equal to 1 minus 1 by RD nana. Okay, here minus other side plus other side minus. Neatly write as 1 by RD equal to 1 minus V2 square by V1 square. Neatly here write 1 by RD equal to, here LCM is V1 square. Here write as V1 square minus V2 square. Neatly write as relative density is equal to V1 square by V1 square minus V2 square. Once again I repeat now. What is the formula for relative density? Relative density of a body equal to V1 square by V1 square minus V2 square. Generally here relative density and density of the solid body compared to density of liquid, immersed liquid nana, density of solid by density of liquid. Relative density definition is, relative means comparison of densities. Density of the solid by density of the liquid. This is immersed fluid. Okay, what is the relative density formula? Once again, V1 square by V1 square minus V2 square. This formula is applicable first suspended body in air and next suspended body is immersed in the liquid. What is the relative density formula? V1 square by V1 square minus V2 square. Here V1 indicate velocity of the transverse wave when the body is in air, suspended body is in air. V2 is nothing but the velocity of the transverse wave when the body is suspended in liquid. Here to see density of liquid and V1 square minus V2 square. Here next nana, look here. Look here nana. This is the string nana. This is the body. Okay. This is the string nana. This is the body. This is the string nana. Only this is the body. Here three situations I take. Here body suspended in air. Here body suspended in water. Here body suspended in liquid. Okay. Here water nana. Here liquid. Here corresponding velocity of the transverse wave is, velocity of the transverse wave is here V2, here V3. That means when the body suspended in air, velocity of the transverse wave denoted by V1. When the body suspended in water, velocity of the transverse wave is V2. When the body suspended in liquid, velocity of the transverse wave is V3. Okay. Here nana V1, V2, V3. Okay, ila three cases unnai nana. Here look here nana, all of you V1, V2, V3. ಈಗ direct ga relative density of liquid and nana. Once again, what is the question? Relative density of liquid. It is simply defined as density of liquid by density of water. Once again I repeat, relative density of liquid adigite density of liquid by density of water. Okay, density of liquid by density of water, simply write as V1 square minus V3 square by V1 square minus V2 square. Look here, density of liquid directly proportional to V1 square minus V2 square. In this case, V2 is the velocity of the transverse wave when the body is immersed in liquid. Okay, here in this case, look here nana. రిలేటివ్ డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ లిక్విడ్ అన్నప్పుడు ఇలా 3 ఇచ్చి వాట్ ఈస్ ద ఫార్ములా v1 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ v3 స్క్వేర్ v1 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ v2 స్క్వేర్. ఈ v1 అంటే బాడీ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నట్టు ఎయిర్లో ఉన్నట్టు, v3 అంటే బాడీ ఎక్కడ ఉన్నట్టు లిక్విడ్లో ఇమ్మర్స్ అయినట్టు, v2 అంటే బాడీ ఎక్కడ ఇమ్మర్స్ అయినట్టు ఇక్కడ వాటర్లో ఉన్నట్టు. ఓకే, దీస్ ద ఇంపార్టెంట్ ఫార్ములా. రిలేటివ్ డెన్సిటీ ఆఫ్ లిక్విడ్ ఈస్ v1 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ v3 స్క్వేర్ బై v1 స్క్వేర్ మైనస్ v2 స్క్వేర్. These are all our concepts, Nana. And next I give another more concept, Nana.